So now one more thing, drafting work is always considered by interns to be premium kind of work. Okay. And it's almost like if I get this work, I'm lucky, this is high value. And sometimes we think that we deserve this kind of work. Okay. That we deserve drafting work. And that means that, the place is a good place to intern. But that's not the case. Okay. Wherever you go to, it will be your job to get the drafting work out and get it come to you from have it come to you from the seniors. How do you do that? So there are different at different points in time. Sometimes the firm will not have drafting work. What kind of drafting work they will not have? They may not have the contract drafting work, for example, or sometimes there may be very little petition drafting work, but notices, opinions, advice, emails, all of this will regularly happen. Okay. So you must try to get your hands on at least one of these categories of work. And if you can get contract drafting work, great. Always ask for proofreading work. Don't think it's below your dignity. Okay. Always ask for proofreading work. Then every team will not give you contract drafting work, that you've understood. So if you are interested in contract drafting, then you will have to ask the seniors that, do we do contract drafting work in this firm? How frequent is this? Is there something I can help you with? Do you have something that's coming up which requires somebody to use contract drafting skills? By the way, seniors will not trust you also initially that you can perform contract drafting work, because it will be like a bolt from the blue. They'll compare you with the regular interns they have gotten, and they'll be like, these guys don't know how to draft, so how can I expect you to draft? Right? So they'll be like, you're just probably saying nonsense. Okay. Or you're just trying to beat around the bush, or you're trying to sound like you're bragging. But you'll have to demonstrate that. You'll have to say to them that I have done this work earlier, I've written these articles on these contracts, look, I understand these technical terms of these contracts, look, here are some of the drafts that I performed, or I helped a startup entrepreneur do this kind of contract. If you say all this, then they get curious. Okay. And you don't have to necessarily show your drafts, but you can talk to them that, okay, I helped this person structure an ESOP plan where this was there. I helped this person draft an LLP agreement. These were the important points. Then seniors get damn curious. And what happens is that a lot of times seniors like to hear the stories of what is happening in law schools and what you did. That is more exciting to them than by giving you gyan about your career. Okay. So you may if you have things and stories to bring to the table, they will be more interested in talking to you. Okay. So you can change this assumption in two ways. Ask for the work, show your track record, and tell stories of what you've done actually, if you have a track record. So what's the track record? Suppose you wrote 5 articles, or you drafted 3-4 contracts in a course that you did. Okay. You can say it in two ways. You can say, sir, see, I've written so many articles, so I know contract drafting work. Or you can say that, I'll tell you about an incident when I had to do this assignment and I had to write on this kind of shareholders agreement. And I went to these 5 sites and I saw that, this is a big gap. And I was getting the volume of investment done, but I wasn't getting, how the commercials were structured. So this is what I went about. This is how I went about researching that. I found out that this is the key insight. Did you know this, by the way? You can ask them. And then you can say, at the end, I wrote this article, I shared it on LinkedIn, 100 people liked it. Okay. And one firm senior, I'm now in touch with 10 senior associates from different firms. Okay. And they'll be like, wow, that's quite cool, show me the article. Then you show. This is actually selling skill, but you have to say it like that.